Abuja, 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 Abuja. Hope you hold your change, oh. Abi make I no pick you. Abuja, Oga hope say you hold your change, oh.
What do you have to say about what is happening right in Nigeria?
I don't have much to say, Musa. Let's just pray to God.
Okay, thank you for that advice. We are so glad to have you here. You see, those videos you just watched are created with Grok AI, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can also use Grok AI to create something like that, because I was also created by Grok AI. So now let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this on how to use AI to create images and videos.
I'm going to show you right now. So to do that, all you have to do is to log into your Grok AI application. If you are using your mobile phone just like me, then you click on these two dots here. When you click on it, you scroll down, you click on these settings here, these settings. You click on settings. Now when you scroll on settings, you scroll down. Now you see this automatic generate video for upload images. As you can see it here, automatic generate videos for images. You turn it off. Why you are going to turn it off is that so that immediately you upload image, it is not going to automatically start generating videos with those image. Now I want us to take an image for an example. Now let me upload one image here, for example, so that I'm going to create a long video and you are going to see how I'm going to do it. Now you click on this arrow, then you click on photo library. Now this is the image I want to use. As you can see, this is the image I want to use. Now the next thing I'll do is just to paste my prompt here. Now I've pasted my prompt. I want the man should talk. I just give a command and what the man should talk. Then I'll click on continue. Now when I click on continue, it will start generating the video for me. Now as you can see, and we all know that Grok AI is one of the best AI tools that can generate AI image to video for you in less than 1 minute. Yes, it's very, very fast. In less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the video for us. So let's just give it some minutes, just some seconds, and it's going to generate the video for us. As you can see, now this is the video. Let's play it.
What do you have to say about what is happening right in Nigeria? What do you have to say about what is happening right in Nigeria?
As you can see, this is how I want it to be. This is how I want it to be. Now, the next thing I have to do to complete the video so that the video is going to continue according to how I want it to be. Now, I have to download the video. Now, after downloading the video, I have to, if you are using a desktop mode, you are going to see where you are going to take a screenshot and you click on upload the image and you continue. But based I'm using a smartphone right now, all I have to do is to go back to the video on my gallery and I will take a screenshot at the end. Now, let me show you an example of what I mean. Now, this is my phone gallery. As you can see, this is my phone gallery. At the end part here, as I can see, when I play the video, when the video is about to end, as you can see, when the video is about to end, I'll post it here, then I'll take a screenshot. When you take a screenshot like this, the next thing you are going to do is to crop the image. The image I just take a screenshot right now. As you can see, I'll crop it so that I can be able to re-upload it to Grok AI and continue the video so that it will create as if a long time video for me. Then the next thing I'll do is to click on save. After clicking on save, then I need to move back to Grok AI. Now this is Grok AI. I have to go back. Go back, then I'll upload the second image right now. The image I just take a screenshot. I have to upload the image. This is the image. After uploading the image, the next thing I'm going to do is to put my prompt here, what I want the video to look like. Now, let me put my prompt. Now, this is how I want my prompt. The next thing I'll do is to click on continue so that it will start making the video. Now, let's also give it some minutes and it's going to make the video for us. Now, let's give it some minutes. Just less than 1 minute and it's going to generate the video for us. So, let's give it some minutes. As you can see, it's generating the video already. Now it has completely generated the video.
I don't have much to say, Musa. Let's just pray to God. I
Now,
don't
as you can
have
see,
much to say, Musa. Let's just pray to God.
so that is how you can create it. Now, if you want to create your next scene again, you also take a screenshot and you do it. But if you are using a laptop, there is a place you are going to see it on that laptop where you are going to just take a screenshot from it and you paste it here and you're going to start working immediately. So this is how you are going to use Grok AI to create a long time video, like a videos you are watching right now that I just created for this podcast. Yes, this is how you are going to do it. Now let me create another scene for you guys again so that you are going to understand much better on how I am trying to explain. Now let me download this scene here. After I download it, I will go back to my phone gallery again. My phone gallery. Now this is the video. Let me refresh so that I will see the video. The video has not downloaded yet. Let me check back and download the video. The video is downloaded. Now let me go back to my gallery and check out for the video. Let me go back, take it back again so that I can be able to see the video. Now this is the video. Now when I play the video and it's about to end, now as you can see, I will just have to post it. I just have to post it.
God.
Let me check it again. Let me take it again.
Say, Musa, let's just pray to God.
Then I will take a screenshot. Then go back again. I just want everything to be look so nice, because when you do the video together with any of your video editing tool and you don't do it like this, you are going to see that the video will not follow up each other. But if you do it like this, the video is going to follow up just the way I will be showing you right now. Now, let's go back to Grok AI again. I will go back. After we go back, we upload this new image we just made right now. This new image we just made right now. This is the image. Now, we put our prompt here. We paste our prompt. After pasting our prompt, click on continue. After click on continue, let's also give it some second and it's going to generate the video for you. And I'm going to show you guys how you are going to match the video together, how you are going to match everything together. So let's just give it some minute and it's going to match everything together for us. Now this is the video.
Okay, thank you for that advice. We are so glad to have you here. Okay.
Now this is the video. I'll also click on download. And after I successfully download the video to my phone, now the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to CapCut, where I will be match everything together, or how the video together, and you are going to see the result. Now this is CapCut. The next thing I'll do is to click on add new video. Now let's add the video from scene 1, 2, and 3. Now this is the video. This is it. Now let's play the video and you guys are going to see.
What do you have to say about what is happening right in Nigeria?
I don't have much to say, Musa. Let's just pray to God.
Okay, thank you for that advice. We are so glad to have you here.
Now, as you can see, this is how the video looks so nice. As you can see, this is how the video is looking so nice. So this is how you are going to do your video. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.